Now, in previous class, I had completed the 4 terms. The name of the terms are gross domestic product at market price, net domestic product at market price, gross national product at market price, and net national product at market price. Domestic product and market price completed. Now, rest portion I have written here one by one. You see that number 5, gross domestic product at factor cost, short form GDPFC. Next, net domestic product at factor cost, NDPFC. Third, 7th, gross national product at factor cost, GNPFC, and net national product at factor cost, NNPFC. These are the rest portion of the terms 5, 6, 7, 8. So one thing you follow here, gross domestic and factor cost. Previously I told you market price, but here factor cost. So gross domestic factor cost, net domestic factor cost, gross national. There is a domestic and here national. So you know domestic to national plus NFIA, and gross to net minus depreciation, and market price to factor cost minus net. These are the 3 formulas. Previous class I had given you the formula. So with the help of this formula, today I will start the numerical. So first you write this rest portion of the terms 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is the meaning of factor cost? You know, previous class I told you factor cost means factor payment. So factor cost, and domestic you know, and national also you know, and what is the meaning of gross you also know. So you write one by one. Now next I am going to start the numerical. So how to calculate? So now I am going to write the numericals here. Calculate GNP MP, gross national product at market price. Calculate gross national product at market price, GNP MP. So first you write particulars or items. Any one you can write, particulars or items, and rupees in crore. Rupees in crore. 2 parts. So one by one you write. Number 1, GDP MP, gross domestic product at market price. The value 5720 crores. Number 2, net factored income from abroad. In short form, net factored income from abroad 2400. 2400. So now first you see that here 2 items are given, GDPMP and NFIA. The value has written here 50,000 and 2,000. So now calculate GNPMP. How to calculate GNPMP? Gross national product at market price. So first you have to keep in mind GNPMP calculate. So you first write left side GNPMP. Left side GNPMP. Right? Now you see that which item has given here? GDPMP. So with the help of the GDPMP we have to reach GNPMP. So you write GDPMP in right side. GDPMP. Clear? Now next step. This is the very easy step. You write gross to gross, same. So you write here cross. There is a gross, here also gross, same. So cross. Next, domestic to national. Domestic to national. We have converted domestic income to national income. So you know how to convert domestic income to national income. So plus NFIA. Domestic to national we had at NFIA. Next, MP to MP. So here is market price, here is also market price. Same, you write cross. Clear? Now, next step you have to calculate. How? Calculate, right. GNP MP equal sign GDPMP cross nothing, you write plus NFIA. Next, cross. So now you write GDPMP. The value of GDPMP 5720 plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad 2400. So you calculate the value 0 to 11 7. Now what will be the answer? The answer will be 53120. 5312 5312. Rupees and crore. At last you have to write rupees and crore. So this is the process for conversion. How to convert? So this is the very easy numerical. So first I have given you the very easy numerical GDP and FI. Now next number 2. I am giving the number 2 numerical. Write quickly. Everyone understood how to convert? So write quickly. Now next number 3. Number 2. Question number 2. Calculate. Number 2. Calculate GNPFC. 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 Right? Items. Rupees in crore. So number 1, GNPMP. GNPMP value 97000. 97000. Number 2, subsidies 9000. Number 3, IT means indirect tax. So 12000. 12000. These are the variables and these are the values. How to calculate? So calculate GNPFC. So GNPFC Now, with the help of GNP-MP, we have to convert it GNP-FC. So, GNP-MP, you write right side. GNP-MP. So, gross, cross. National, same. So, cross. MP and FC, market to factor cost. So, minus NIT. So now calculate GNPFC equal to GNPMP only minus NEAT. So GNPMP value 97000 minus NEAT. So here is directly NEAT not given. Subsidies and IT here written. So I know what will be the NEAT? NEAT formula IT minus subsidy. IT minus sub. This is the formula. So IT 12,000 and subsidy 9,000. You minus it. So the value will be 3,000. You write here 3,000. So rupees 94,000 crore. This is the process. So today, up to this, next I will continue the next portion. Thank you.